Namaskar. Our body needs constant care to stay healthy. One clear indicator of overall good health is strong hair. Hair should be strong and thick. So, come today, let us see how a humble onion which comes from your kitchen can give you a good hair health. Onion juice contains plenty of sulfur, which increases the production of collagen. This collagen goes to produce healthy skin cells, which stops hair loss. Not only this, but onion juice also contains an antioxidant enzyme called as catalase. This enzyme nourishes hair follicles to improve hair growth. Onion juice also prevents scalp infection and dandruff. You see, the method of using onion juice is very simple. Just peel one onion and chop it into pieces. Then blend these pieces and filter the pulp in a cotton cloth. This will extract the juice of the onion. Apply this juice using your finger on your scalp or use cotton pad. Massage it nicely into your scalp. Let it sit there for 30 to 40 minutes and then rinse off with mild shampoo. Or yes, if you wish, you can use it 3 to 4 times in a week. But remember, apply only fresh onion juice every time. Red onion juice is a better choice because red onions have more sulfur and better ability to fight bacteria and fungal infections. You may even combine onion juice with castor oil or coconut oil. If your routine is to oil your hair before shampooing, do this. Before you try this home remedy, do a patch test by applying little onion juice on your skin for an hour to find out if you are allergic to onion. Those who have allergies or suffer from psoriasis or eczema should not use this method. However, in addition to using onion juice, there are also other things to have healthy hair growth. For example, you need to have a balanced diet. You need to massage your scalp regularly. Avoid excessive use of harsh chemicals. Also, avoid styling instruments. Sleep well and definitely get some exercise. If you are mindful to these simple things, your hair would be dandruff free, well nourished, long and shining. Namaskar.